In this short tutorial, you will learn how to archive and unarchive Instagram posts. Archiving a post allows you to remove it from your profile without deleting it permanently. This is great for organizing your content or hiding posts that you no longer want to be visible. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap and select the post that you want to archive. And then tap on these three little dots at the top right of that post. Then tap Archive. Now that post is archived and no longer visible on the profile. So let me show you how to unarchive the archived post. Tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Archive. Then tap here. And select the Post Archive option. Now you'll be able to see all the posts you've archived on Instagram. Tap and select the post that you want to unarchive. Then tap on these three little dots at the top right of the post. Then tap Show on Profile. Now that post is unarchived. If I go back, you'll see that post is back on my profile and is visible again. This is exactly how you can archive and unarchive Instagram posts. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.